how to fix the email you provided is not supported on ChatGPT. So you might be in the position where you try to enter your email address in order to sign up your ChatGPT account, but you land on the interface where it says that the email you provided is not supported. In this case, what you can do is go back and head over to your ChatGPT site. Tap on sign up. It will lead you to this page. So right here you can see that there is a space to enter your email address, but you have to ignore that because your email address is not supported by ChatGPT. So what you have to do is, right here you'll get to see the option of continue with Google. Tap on it. This interface will be visible to you. It will show you all of the Google account that is available on your device. Choose any of the Google account that you want. Let me just tap on the second one. So there you can see that how easily it has been signed up or logged into your ChatGPT account. So this is all you gotta do if your email address is not supported by ChatGPT. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.